Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. Today we are going to be making some Malai chicken curry, and not only is it immensely tasty, but it's also almost 1/3 the calories of normal Malai chicken curry that you get at the restaurant or you make at home. And like any other recipe of mine, it's also going to be high in protein. And that is the goal here, guys. It's to take these normal Indian recipes that we have every single day and just super sane the shit out of them, make them lower in calories and higher in protein without compromising too much on the taste. So if you are ready to get this video underway, like always, hit that thumbs up button for me. Comment down below on the kind of videos you'd like to see or on the kind of recipes you'd like to see, and also subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's get started. For the ingredients, you will need 500 grams of chicken breast, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 150 ml of light cream, 170 grams of non-fat yogurt, 7 grams or half tablespoon of oil or butter. And as for the spices, feel free to adjust the quantities as per your taste, but I took 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon each of garam masala, cumin powder, and coriander powder. First, in a pan on medium flame, let's add the oil, and once it heats up, let's add the onions and green chilies. As the onions turn golden brown, let's then add the ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic fades. After that, let's add the chicken and cook it for about 5 minutes or until it's halfway cooked. Time to then add the yogurt along with some salt for taste and give it a good mix for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, let's add all the spices, mix all of that in really well, and add about 1 cup of water. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Whenever you're dealing with chicken or any kind of meat, guys, it's always very important to check if it's well cooked. And one of the simplest ways to do that is to break the chicken, and if it's white in the inside, you should be good. Alright, finally add the light cream, give it a good mix, add water if needed to reach the desired consistency, and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And last but not the least, top it off with some coriander leaves, and there you go. Your Malai chicken curry is all set. Bro, I'm trying to lose weight and I'm doing all kinds of exercises 5 hours a day, so I'm very careful with what I eat. It looks great, but how many calories is it, bro? Don't worry, my friend, like I mentioned before, this is going to be way less in calories than the ones you normally make. So this entire recipe is to be divided into 3 servings, and each serving is just about 325 calories, of which 11 grams are carbs, 14 grams are fat, and 40 grams are protein. And with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and also do subscribe to the channel. Do try the recipe out, guys. There's no reason for you to cut anything out. You can have anything and everything as long as you are smart about it. So do try the recipe out. If you do, tag me on Instagram and also follow my Instagram page. I post daily content on it. And with that being said, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.